Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to do another awesome review of a Bluetooth speaker. That was a little quick blip of some Lindsey Stirling. So the product here I picked up on Amazon. I was looking for a mobile Bluetooth speaker, and I found this thing for 35 bucks. Sounds awesome. Now, I don't know how well that's going to come out with coming out of the speaker into camera, into computer, and out your speakers, but it's very vivid when it comes to the sound, which is a big perk, especially for 35 bucks for a mobile battery Bluetooth speaker. So Sbode is how I think you pronounce this. It's Sbode, and like I said, you can pick it up right here on Amazon for 35 bucks. This is the box that it comes with. It comes in. It's great presentation. You know, it has this little magnetic thing. Products in there. Simple enough as boxes go. It also comes with the instructions in multiple languages. Tells you how the controls are. Comes with a USB charging cable. The standard old cable, not the new USB-C charging, but the old one. And then it also has a an input cable too, if you want to hook it up to another piece of equipment. So here is the Bluetooth speaker. It's this little round thing. You know, you can set it like this, or it can rest on the side. It's very versatile. You know, you got a strap here to hang it. So when I'm grilling, I hang it next to my grill. On the back is the controls. You can put in a MicroSD card if you want to play music through that. You got the power charge and then the auxiliary in button. And then on the front is the controls. You hold down the little minus button here to power on. You got a volume up and down. Now this is a little tricky because when you see these buttons and you click, oh, it's not loud enough, hit the plus button once. It will actually, this is also how you change and skip songs, whether you want to repeat a song or go to the next one. So a quick tap of this will change the songs. To increase the volume, you have to hold it longer. That's just something I learned with it. And then there's a play and pause button. And then you kind of got, so the speakers are built in here, and then you've got kind of this additional, the bass sound coming out from the sides. Like I said, it's very light. It's great. I've been really impressed with the sound quality. The battery has lasted for several hours, so I've been impressed with that. It's not like it's play for an hour and then you have to go recharge it. It's lasted a long time. The Bluetooth range is okay. It gets so if I have this leaving on my grill and I have my iPod or my phone that's tethered to it, and I come inside, it loses its signal. So I would say maybe it's got about a 15-foot, maybe 10-foot range. Once you get out of the 10-foot range, it starts to break up, and I would say 15 feet is when it goes out. It is water resistant here, they say. Now I've not truly fully tested it out. But, it can get splashed and wet. I mean, a lot of products now, I can tell by the way this cable is, they've kept it to where it's got some water resistance. It does not mean you can submerge it. So the rating is not going to say, don't take it into the pool with you or into the shower, but it can get wet. And that's it. I mean, it connects to a lot of options, and for 35 bucks, it's great. Take to the beach, lake house, wherever, boat, etc. Check out the links below. Read the other reviews and see if it's the right fit for you as far as Bluetooth speakers go. If you enjoyed this, you found it was helpful, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and feel free to comment. I'll answer any questions that you may find that I can, if I can. And until the next video, you guys take it easy, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.